Hello friend, we are now going to write VBA program to print inverted half pyramid. Inverted half pyramid, how to write? First of all, writing topic. Inverted half pyramid. Okay, using VBA in Excel. What is I'm now going to print? This type of we complete this type of program in another video. You can check this. Okay, now we are writing this program how to print inverted half pyramid. Let's go to Excel. And go to pressing Alt F11 for VBA editor and insert module here, clicking on any sheet and insert module. Write some nice name, inverted, no space here required, and give a variable name rn. I am using for rn for row number and cn for column number as an integer. And now write outer for loop rn equal 1 to let's take 6, and for inner loop we usually write intend some for clarity, and cn goes from 1 to 6 minus rn, and take sheet number 1 dot cells in row num variable rn variable cn variable dot value equal to star is a string, so in double quoted, and next cn, next rn, and for loop, and here and also inner outer for loop after completing program. Also write sheet 1 dot cells dot clear content, and we run this by pressing F8 key by line wise line, printing one. Here if you roll over this, then first take C1 and C1 take column 1 and row number 1 take printing a star. After row 1 and column number 2 printing in this. So pressing F8 key like this, printing inverted pyramid. Please subscribe for another pattern how to create. Pressing F8 key to run. If you take 10 times, then take 11, and printing this type of. This is a very important code for any question, frequently asked question. So you check this code. This code also available in description of video. Please subscribe. If you any benefit for this video, then like. Also please subscribe for this type of code. Okay, thank you.